Hi family, welcome to a Haunted House. I'm Star, and on this channel I make content to empower others to pursue holistic wealth through real estate, financial hacks, and at-home inspiration. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below and give this video a like if you like it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my decorating in the living room. This living room is nowhere near finished. I have a few more things I want to do before the room is finished. But a few of those things are the built-in bookshelves on either side of the fireplace and also adding curtains to this room. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Stay tuned. I started off with empty shelves so that I could have a blank slate for the shelf decor. These built-ins I love. They are one of my favorite parts of the living room, along with the full brick fireplace. I got most of my decor pieces thrifted, either from Goodwill or from OfferUp or Let Go. The only pieces that were not thrifted were these white planters that I got from Walmart for my two pothos plants, and a few picture frames that I got as either wedding gifts or were wedding decor from our wedding back in November. I also borrowed a few pieces from my office. I borrowed some books from our office bookshelf for these shelves as well. I made the top shelves symmetrical. You'll see that some shelves are symmetrical while others are not, because I just didn't want it to feel too uniformed, but I still wanted symmetrical aspects so that it felt intentional as well. When I was thrifting for decor pieces for the shelf, I made sure to pull from the colors that were in the room. So you'll see a lot of brass pieces, you'll see blacks, you'll see whites. You'll also see hints of green and orange as well, because I have those in the room as my main accent colors. This art that I'm hanging over the mantle is actually not for this room. I borrowed it from my office because I've just been testing pieces here to see what type of art I want for this mantle, and I really like this modern simplistic look, so I'll probably make or purchase art here in that style. I chose a rod that was bronze with brass accents because there are a lot of oil rub bronze finishes in the house. The pools in the kitchen, they are oil rub bronze, almost black. The fixtures are brass, so I thought this curtain rod that was both oil rub bronze and brass would be a nice touch because there's the open floor plan, so I wanted all of the finishes to blend together well. I used the same curtains that I hung in the dining room, except for these panels are a lot wider because I purchased 2 of them that could cover all 4 windows in the living room. I love these curtains, I love the color, so I wanted to carry that throughout the main floor. It took me a while to find a curtain rod that was wide enough to stretch across all 4 windows because I wanted it to be 1 window treatment instead of 4. So I found the curtain rod that I chose from Wayfair. It was also an affordable option as well because a lot of the curtain rods for bigger windows were really expensive. I really love these curtains. I am probably going to get the same ones for my bedroom as well, except for I will probably get them in a pure white color for my bedroom instead of this off-white beige color that I have here on the main floor. And here is what the living room is looking like right now. Of course, this is not finished. I still have to get the appropriate artwork that will go over the mantle. What you see missing here are the green armchairs that I have. One is temporarily in another room, and the other one we just moved out of the way while we were hanging the curtains. So that will go back here, and then I'll probably change a few other things about the living room before it's finished. So stay tuned for more decor videos. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. And until next time, love, Star.